Hello, I'm Gaia Morrissette, and I'm here with one of my, well, I'm not going to say my favorite student, but one of my most awesome students. um, I'm, the founder of Essence Program, Magic for Beginners. And I just wanted to have a conversation with Lee about his experience in Essence and give you some insights into what you could expect when you come and hang out with us. So, Lee, actually, I should tell you a little bit more about me if you don't know who I am already. So, I'm Gaia Morrissette. I'm a holistic sexual wellness specialist. I believe that the keys to a happy, healthy, wealthy, magical, epic, orgasmic life is sexual wellness, embracing the human experience, letting go of fear, shame, guilt, and self-loathing.
Mm-hmm.
And that is awesome, right? Like that's where it's at. These are the keys. These are the keys to the kingdom. Right? And I'm a high priestess of divine sexual magic, guardian of elemental magics. I'm a universal translator and conduit of love and light. And I make pleasure safe. I make sex better, and I help people take their lives to the next level. And I do this through speaking, training, and coaching. So, Lee,
That's
ready to
me.
share?
I'm ready to share.
So you took Essence.
Yes.
And what were some of your big takeaways? First of all, why did you take Essence?
Well, first it's because you told me to. That I had to be there. But I knew that I was carrying something with me that needed to be explored a little deeper and really just kind of expand my awareness on what was really going on. And also kind of explore possibilities of magical career path opportunities for myself and see what else I could step into as a result of learning what I could take away from the course.
Okay, so what did you take away from the course? What are some of your takeaways?
Well, I'd say probably the thing that I wasn't as in tune with that we went over that I've now carried into my daily life was smudging. Smudging has been a really cool adventure, not just for the moment after the smudge, but also leading into the smudge and learning what is right in each moment, what I'm feeling called to use, what I'm feeling called to do, when and why, whether it's sage or cedar or sweetgrass or Palo Santo, just exploring each of those. And really, I like that you didn't give me the reason to pick either one of them, but you gave me the freedom to explore them and see what each of them meant to me in each moment and find out for myself what they carried for me and how I could use them for myself.
Okay, so for the newbies and the beginners that know nothing about magic, what is smudging? Let's see. Let's see if you can explain smudging.
So smudging is burning different types of materials. Like I said, whether it's sage or sweetgrass, even incense, and putting your intention into it to clear the space, the physical space or the emotional space of whether that be energetically, emotionally, if there's something that took place in the space that it needed to be cleared up, or to bring in protection of some sort. And yeah, burn stuff.
Burn stuff. Burn shit. Which is very good. You did good.
Burn shit with intention.
Yes, it's basically you're burning with your intentions and the idea around smudging, regardless of what we're using it for or why we're using it, is that you put your intentions, your prayers, your thoughts into the smoke, and it goes out into the ethers to manifest whatever that reality is that you're wanting and bringing into your life.
Perfect.
Okay, So what are some of the other things that you've taken away?
Learning how to trust myself, trust my intuition, and paying attention to what's around me, what's going on around me at all times, and paying attention to uh, the energy of everything, the frequencies and the signatures of each thing. Like there's something distinct about each person or each thing, and those energies can mean something or carry a message or direct me in some way. And I guess in that vein, the intuition adventure that I was sent on, just kind of letting go of the wheel and being open to guidance from something that is bigger than me, and seeing where that takes me and how it takes me, what things came up along the way. And then when I ended up where I was at, what was there for me, why I ended up there, what I could find there, and what I could take away from there and carry with me at all times. And then really paying attention to the fact that I was able to trust that, and I didn't have to control what was going on. I just had to be present and know that everything was perfect, everything was right for that moment, for that trip.
So has that concept, that connection to your trusting your intuition and trusting the signs and trusting the universe, has
Mm-hmm.
that bettered your life in any particular way?
I think a lot of it comes down to how I'm observing everything, but I guess in particular, my interactions with people and what I'm getting verbally, non-verbally from those people, and helping me to better interact with them, and then also with myself. Uh, not not questioning the things that come to me, and instead just going with what comes to me, and knowing that that gut feeling is right and it's real, and that helps me to make decisions. It helps me to um, take action or not take action, and that comes into everything in my life.
So how would you say your stress levels are these days?
Super relaxed.
Because there's a lot of anxiety producing and stress producing when we don't trust ourselves, when we don't trust our intuition, we don't trust when we have to make a decision. There's a lot of stress, a lot of anxiety, there's a lot of stuff that's brought up. And when you learn to trust within yourself and trust and connect to the higher selves, all of a sudden there's freedom in that. It's like you said, super chilled, super relaxed. Like it's no longer oh my God, do I make this choice or do I make this choice? It's just like, all right, what choice am I making? Okay, I'm choosing that choice, right? Like it feels totally different, right?
Purging the hesitation, getting rid of indecision. Yeah, just not doubting things. That it feels good.
So what's the one thing that you would would you recommend this to other people? First of all, I'm not going to jump to conclusions here.
I would, and I have, and it comes up. It comes up a lot in conversations with people, not from my end, but they would be talking about something, and it would automatically connect with something specific that I had learned, or something that I've taken away from the course that I've implemented in my daily life. And then when that connection is made, I can then give them, it's my opportunity to encourage them to check it out, see what's there for them, and really think about what possibilities or what opportunities are sitting in this opportunity for them.
Okay, so that's awesome. So let me give you, you know, if everybody's listening, they're like, okay, so what, we haven't really talked about what the course is. So let's give them some details. All right. So it's 16 weeks. It's level 1, Essence, Magic for Beginners. And we go each week, we go and we explore some different aspect of magic and ethics and accountability and trust. And the key behind this is so that you can connect to who you are and you can awaken your magical gifts, right? So I don't show up and teach you, this is how you do magic. This is how you show up in the world. What I do is I show you, okay, this is an aspect of magic. Now, where does that sit for you? How does that resonate for you? And you go on in an adventure of exploring how that resonates and how that works for you. And it's an adventure of self-discovery. And what my job is to guide you through that discovery, guide you through that process, so that at the end of 16 weeks, you fully can trust who you are and start you may end at level 1. There's 4 levels depending on how deep you want to go, right? But after the 16 weeks, you will have a better understanding of yourself, the world around you, your interactions with others, and moving from a place of less stress, getting control of the batshit crazies in your mind. Is all about the mind, body, spirit in order for you to be a magical being in the world. And so that's basically what Essence is all about.
Manifesting your own reality.
Manifesting your own reality. What do you want your life to look like? You know, do you want it to look like epic, or do you want to look like Zen? Or do you want it to be filled with adventure? Do you want it to be filled with money? Do you want to be filled with love? You want to be filled, like, whatever it is that you want your life to look like, the ingredient, the key ingredient is you and who you are as a magical self. So that's what Essence is about, is like waking up who you are so that you can then create the life that you want to have. All right. So come join us, sign up. It'll change your life. You can hang out with me. Lee loved it so much, he's taking it again.
Oh, so nice. I got to do it twice.
You got to do it twice. So that he can go into a new level of exploration and going into that in a deeper way. And we look forward to hanging out with you soon. So you can find it if you want to go find out how to sign up for Essence Magic 1, or so level 1 Magic for Beginners, you can go to succulentliving.com, and under the online courses, you'll see guided online courses, and you'll see Essence right there. Just click that, follow the link, and it'll take you through the process. All right, see you soon. Mwah!
See ya.